Good morning. Let me get to my notes. Keep in mind, drop your questions in the YouTube chat today. I've got Alex here helping me out as always on every single Monday morning. So use the YouTube chat on Mondays. On that note, I did get a fair amount of DMs over the weekend. Remember, I am still live every single day, 8:30 Eastern. It's just inside StocksToTrade Advisory now. So it's on the StocksToTrade website, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm there every day. Alex, please drop a link to Steady Trade Advisory. Again, you get a weekly watch list. You get a monthly research report. You get the ebook, and you get pre-market prep Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I mean, again, obviously I'm biased, but I think the price you pay is stupid cheap. And pretty much everyone that has gotten in STT advisory agrees. I mean, I haven't gotten anyone say it's not worth freaking $50 a year. Okay. So with that being said, let's get to work. Right off the bat, Marlon asks about PSTI. Former runner, right off the bat. This thing was, when did this go? Jesus, has it been that long? Man, too many stocks. Man, I thought this, it had some okay runs back in November, but 2 to 3, no. Man, it's just so many of these things. When did this really go? 2020, I guess? Too many stocks. There's just too many crappy biotech, low float runners. All right, let's take a look. 3 a.m. press release. You know I hate that. Idiots. Morons. Why? So, not my favorite. And we talked about this, when was it? Was it Friday? Anyway, there was another crappy biotech that put out a 5 a.m. press release, and it went nowhere. I'm telling you. And I am not saying the timing of the press release is like 95% of the trade idea. But if you're trading these crappy biotechs and they don't know how to play the game, big red flag. Okay? Because remember, and I talked about this a bunch last week. We don't believe in PSTI. We don't believe in any of these biotechs. They're just letters that represent trade setups. ABCD, XYZW, PSTI, OCGN, any of them. And if they don't know how to play the game, it's a red flag. Afternoon only. Renzo, what about Hour? Yeah, Hour was Friday afternoon's IPO. Hilarious. By the way, did anybody check out Hour? Amazing website. Listen. If you're looking for, my friends, if you're looking for overpriced Chinese trash, this might be the greatest website of all time. And let me see if I can find it. Christmas vacation. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. You can get Cousin Eddie's bus. You can get a junk little plastic Cousin Eddie's bus from Christmas Vacation for only, my friends, only $110. They don't get much better. When it comes to deals, or perhaps the Griswold family house. It's like 4 inches across and 4 inches high. Only $208.99. Listen, when it comes to deals, hey, I love a good deal. Okay, nobody's cheaper than me. This might be the greatest deal on the internet. So buy it up. Listen, somebody, don't pass this opportunity by. That being said, this is the biggest piece of crap joke of a company. But guess what it is? What's going to happen if 10 comes post 945, day 2 of a joke IPO? We know what's going to happen, okay? Dip and rip all day through 10. Now, please, day trade only, okay? This is probably like the next, this is probably the next like luck in coffee, okay? And actually, I'm going to write that down. Hour, dip and rip all day through 10. But please, day trade only. This totally looks like Luck in Coffee 2.0. And if you don't know what I mean, my friends, you need to, and seriously, this is a lesson. You need to understand your stock market history, okay? And when Luck in Coffee was only a couple of years ago, okay? Ballyhooed, did I use that properly? Ballyhooed IPO? Is that the proper usage of ballyhooed? A much ballyhooed past glamorous and vigorous attempt to win customers or advance any cause, blatant advertising or publicity, clamor or outright. Yeah! There's your word of the day, and I use it properly. Luckin was a much ballyhooed IPO that complete disaster, delisted, everyone blew up, okay? Remember Luck in Coffee if you're trading OWL. LCID is crazy. What's LCID doing? Did I miss something? Weak open ready. It's not crazy. I don't think LCID, I wouldn't have called this crazy. It's, hey, listen, 2022 is the year of EV, okay? So, I don't think it's crazy, you know? Yeah, so some of you guys asking about fakers. Okay, it's been a while. Remember, I'm here to help. But please, please, please understand, if you get a DM, whether it be on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, from somebody that looks like me, has all my pictures, but is like offering to trade on your behalf, please, 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 it's not me, it's a scammer, okay? Report it, etc., etc. I will never DM you asking for money. I will never DM you asking to trade on your behalf. And that goes for everyone in the StocksToTrade ecosystem, okay? When I say that, Sykes will never DM you. Matt will never DM you. Bryce, Huddy, Roland, Jack, Mariana, none of us, nobody will just randomly DM you out of the blue and offer to trade on your behalf, okay? Please, 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 please know that. Now, that being said, I am at Bohen everywhere, okay? If you pay attention, the scammers will have an underscore, they'll add a character, etc. So please, 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 and I hate to waste time on this, but a lot of people are asking about it. None of us will DM you asking for money or asking to trade on your behalf or asking for Bitcoin, none of that. And just look at the usernames. You're going to see underscores, dashes, etc. So, Vorb, VIORB. This is an IPO I actually kind of like. So, breaks through 950 on VORB. Zynga, there's no trade. No trade on Zynga because it's a buyout. ISIG. Dip and rips all day. This stock is every one of our patterns. High day breaks, dip and rips, bounces off of green to red, afternoon VWAP holds. This is like the stock. I think and let me explain what I'm about to say. Listen, ISIG isn't going to be the stock of 2022. Okay, bear with me as I make this thought experiment. This isn't going to be the stock of 2022, but in my opinion, this is going to be the theme of 2022. Much like 2020, much like 2021. These biotechs that just hang around, and then break through key levels. And here we are, 2 months later, and this terrible, sketchy stock is still up 500%, and people are still trying to guess the top. It's a 1 million floater, up 500% from the beginning of the run, and people are still trying to guess tops. And it's going to be it's been the theme, and it's going to continue to be the theme. All our patterns from the ebook apply. So, all right. Again, Alex, if you could drop the link to Steady Trade Advisory. I know I got a little off topic joking about Uncle Cousin Eddie's bus, but I'm making a point. Like I like to have fun, but listen, there's people, and maybe you were one of them. There's people out there that believe in our, okay? Just like there were people that believed in Luckin Coffee and got destroyed. So I know I dumb dad jokes, sarcasm, but I'm trying to make a point. And if I can save any of you from swing trading or investing in our, when it gets destroyed, gets delisted, all this sketchy Chinese stuff, if I can save one person from that, destroying their account, giving up on trading, then I did my job. Okay? So, all right. Check out the StocksToTrade Advisory. Again, weekly watch list, monthly report, live every day, 8:30 Eastern, and the ebook. You get it, all that. So, all right. Have a great day, my friends, and we will see you next time. Plus, the best part about Steady Trade Advisory is it's behind. It's not on YouTube. So you get to hear my killer playlists every day. Those that know, know. It's not the same pre-canned music. You get my killer playlist every day, too. How can you put a price on that? So, all right. Have a great day, everyone.